Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a simple distortion effect using Canva. So it's essentially making the picture look kind of wavy. And one example is this text that I got here. And as you can see, the text looks distorted. So if you want to get this style, it's pretty easy. The first thing that you can do is you can click or select the image that you want to create the distortion effect. And after that, you want to click edit. And you want to navigate to the bottom on the app section right here. You want to scroll to the right until you find the tool that says liquify. You want to click on that. And if you are doing it for the first time, it may prompt you with a message. You have to click the open button at the bottom. And after that, you will see this menu. There are 5 different presets that you could apply to this image. And you can also adjust the parameters here. There are several values that you could customize. And when you're done, you can click save, and that setting will be applied to that image. Now, this is apparently a feature that is only available for an image. How about text? Well, this is actually not a text at all. This is actually an image that shows text. So if you want to distort a text box, then you have to convert that text into an image first. What you can do is you can download the text. This is the same text. This is the original text box that I got to create this effect. So what you can do is you have to add a new page, and then you want to write on it. You want to add some text. Make sure the background is empty, and after that you want to click share, download, and then change the format or the file type to PNG. Enable transparent background, that's very important, and I'm just selecting this page that I want to download. And after that, you want to click download. Now just wait until the file is downloaded, and then later we are going to upload this file back to this document. And I'm going to remove this text because we don't need that. And let's increase the size. So after that, you want to select the text. You want to click edit again, navigate to apps, and then click liquify, and then we can apply some wobbly or distortion effect to this text. And there are many things that you can apply, and this is one of them. Click save, and this image will be created and uploaded to your Canva account. So that is a simple way to create a distortion effect in Canva. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.